All right, before we work on a tougher one like 3, let's do an easier one like 4. It says find the particular equation of a cubic function with integer coefficients if the zeros have the given sum, product, and sum of pairwise products. So the sum of your zeros is -5/3. That means negative b over a is -5/3. And the sum of pairwise products is -58/3. That means c over a is -58/3. And the product of your zeros is 40/3. That means negative d over a is 40/3. Now, you're always going to want to make the denominators the positive term, and you can see each denominator is 3 and each denominator is a. That means a is 3. In this one, negative b is -5. That means a positive b is a positive 5. C is -58, and negative d is 40. That means a positive d is a -40. So filling it in, f of x, our function equals 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 58 minus 40. Let's skip down to 6 because it's a little bit simpler than 5. 6 says, find the equation of the function with integer coefficients whose zeros are 3, 5 plus 2i, and 5 minus 2i. So if I add my zeros together, 3 plus 5 plus 2i plus 5 minus 2i, I'm going to get negative b over a. Now, combining like terms, 5 and 5 is 10 and 3 is 13. And notice 2i minus 2i cancel. So 13 is negative b over a. If I pair them up and multiply them, 3 times 5 plus 2i plus 3 times 5 minus 2i plus, I want to switch colors on this one, and you're going to find that out for a reason. 5 plus 2i times 5 minus 2i. Okay, and that's all going to equal c over a. So distributing, I get 15 plus 6i plus 15 minus 6i plus, and then these two are conjugates. 5 times 5 is 25. Being conjugates, the O term and I term drop. So it's just last times last, which is 2i times a negative 2i, or a negative 2i squared, or negative 4 rather, I squared. Remember, I squared is a -1, so negative 4 times a -1 becomes positive 4. 25 plus 4 is 29. So that's what those two will turn into. Now, when we combine like terms, 15 and 15 is 30 and 29 is 59. And the i's drop again. So 59 is c over a. Now, why did I do those separately? Because the last one is to take your zeros, 3 times 5 plus 2i times 5 minus 2i, and we take our zeros and we multiply them all three together, and we're going to get negative d over a. But you can see I've already multiplied these two together, and when I did, I got 29. So that is a shortcut that you can do and realize that you're going to have 3 times 29 here. We already multiplied those together. Let's let our work for us. 3 times 29 is 87, so 87 is negative d over a. And if you look at all of these, this one, and this one, none of them are over a fraction, which means the a value is 1. A negative b is a positive 13, so b is negative 13. C is 59. And a negative d is 87, so d is negative 87. So our function f of x is a, or 1, x cubed minus 13x squared plus 59x minus 87. And there you have it.